Hello, welcome to lab again. We're going to talk about some Vision API. So first thing you're going to tell we're going to use the Vision API. So here I create a new service account called Vision, and I do export this JSON file, which is the login of that for the credential authentication. And here on the Vision API, the service account I created, I just exported the key. Okay. Now, okay, let's see that our API is enabled. Let's go in here and check Vision. From the project perspective view, sorry that I'm using Eclipse, but anyway, here you're gonna have to do it's have this key JSON is the export of the service account. You really have to use that. You're gonna identify that on the key JSON file here. Also on your Vision image creator, you have to use this class. You're gonna read this JSON file, which is here, key JSON. Okay, you're gonna use into credentials and go into image annotator settings. Okay, and after that, everything it's about the features. In case here I'm using the text detection, whatever. So now you're gonna try to use the text detection using here's the application running. It's just local code deploy also inside Google. So here gonna show this is the image they're going to try to load. I just test it right now. I see instance, everything that's writing over here. If you just execute that, okay, you see whereas right instance, it reads all the image for you and also gives all the spaces and all those bounding poles, everything, test annotations, where everything which it's about the image itself. You see how many parameters you can use. Look, it's just the main string as response. In other case, I'm trying to load also gonna show a detection of faces. Here I'm just like gonna try to load this picture. It meets some girls. Uh, anyway, here is the image. When I load the image, I say the face annotations, how many verticals, etc. Gives everything about the image itself. If you know each parameter what it means, you can start working more and more like face annotations. Okay, that's more technical, deep inside the vision stuff, not just about how to use the APIs. All right, so here it's pretty simple to use these features. In this case, I'm using Google the Cloud Vision View on feature. In this case, I use the face detection. Could use like landmark test detection. I already use logo detection, landmark, etc. Document test detection. Let's try to find another picture of text and we can try on the fly, see what's writing. Let's go in Google. 1 second, gonna find an image for us. Okay, let's find a nice one. Just getting a picture over here. Let's try to read this image. Okay, if it's allowed, not face detection, so I'll have a label detection. Well, this could not be reg. Let's see what didn't provide anything. Label detection. In this case, there's no response. Maybe it could not read download the file. Maybe it's the file is blocked because the other works after I check the logs. In this case, it's working. Let me check another image test. Let's check another one. That's why I really like to do things on the fly. One second. Maybe I gotta find a new, a nice one. Okay. It's a lot of test. Actually, I would prefer to put some pictures on the storage. Then you just choose the pictures. Here we go. Let's see this picture. Let's see we can read this picture. I don't want it to complain about it's gonna be loaded. Ah, la pancia piatta dai poveri, no, no. Giusto. La donacida. You speak Italian? Here you go. It gets the description of the image and all those properties, etc. So that's extremely easy to work with the Vision API. The only thing you have to care about is the credential and the quota. And the setup-ability. I have to enable that because there is it's the Vision. You have a quota free, so everything must be set very well. The rest is not going to be working perfectly, and you really have to care about that. Otherwise, not going to work. This is the way I just get my credentials, etc. I just use this command, which puts you into a login page. You have to enable that. Once you allow that, gives you a key. You double check that. You get it. Came back here. It gives you this JSON file. You can use outside of the cloud. So like I'm running an external application to the cloud, and with that, I'm just checking my every single image which I have. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.